what do we have here? We have a cool box without any shipping label on there. I mean, like, serious. Why? So, I've got here this box with some content in it. And this is also going to be content as well. Well, if you don't know who I am, I'm PolyPhil. And I'm also co-host on Zachary 3D Prints. So, let's check this box out and see what's in here. If you are already known with the channel, you know exactly who I am. But I'm PolyPhil. And I do like some hardcore stuff. Now that sounds a little bit weird, PolyPhil. I'm not going to talk about what I did last weekend. I gave somebody some Infill. Anyways, talking about Infill, what would you need if you are going to use some Infill? Some Polymaker filament, of course. What else did you think? Well, basically, I went into my, computer. I ordered some Polymaker filament in order to get some projects running for this channel. Because Zach isn't here, and at this moment I'm here. So you have to do it with me. So I went online and ordered several boxes of Polymaker filament. I have several projects where I need to have the best possible filament. Now I know that there are certain other brands that have some amazing filaments. But well, let's support the filament brand that supports everybody. Almost everybody. How do they still make money? I have no idea. But hey, it's not my money. Well, actually, this is my money. Anyways, so I've got here some PolyLite PETG filament in some amazing color black. This is black PETG, and I've got here some PolyLite PETG, and this is translucent red. You have PLA, you have PETG, you have ABS, you have different kind of filaments, and every filament has their specialties. With PETG, if you have some translucent filaments, if you increase the temperatures of your nozzle a little bit higher, where the massive color is going to be a little bit more translucent. But always check the label on the box in order to get the best possible results. And now with slicers like Orca Slicer, hashtag not sponsored, you get the best possible profiles, but you need to add them while using Orca Slicer. I know Prusa Slicer has also some amazing profiles for your printer, but also for the filament as well. Thank you, community. You are so amazing. Then I've got also some orange. PolyLite PETG orange. Nice. What the hell is that going to do with orange? Maybe because he's Dutch, like orange, Dutch. But then the flag is red, white, and blue. Why orange? I think it has to do with the royalties, I guess. And then last in the box, what? Polyflex? I think Zach is going to flex a little bit. Polyflex TPU 95 high force HF. I know something else with HF. It says here on the box, HF. Hue Force. Can I use Hue Force and TPU? One of the things when you are going to print with TPU, I have heard of Nighthawk, somebody from Polymaker. I think he was called Nighthawk. What is the other dude? He was doing something with guns or something. I don't know. General, yeah. So if you're printing with TPU, the best possible way to print TPU is with a direct drive printer. I think there are some profiles where you can get away with printing TPU with Bowden tube setup, but nowadays these 3D printers are all direct drive. We, as a user, we can print more and nicer, and especially with the filaments of Polymaker. So TPU, there is a special need for this material. I heard Zach saying something about a kill razor, a death trap. No. Battle tanks. No, I know. Battle tank. No. Oh, I see a box here. I see a box. Just a second. Of course. Death razors. Has nothing to do with that. But don't lose your head. This is a nice kit from Big 3 Tech. Hashtag not sponsored. Very cool. Zach said he had to sell his liver. No, his kidney. He had to sell his kidney to order the death razor, but he is so happy with it. I think he's running to the toilet every, hour. He's pissing me off sometimes. But anyways, we have here the death razor kit from Big 3 Tech. So, Sam Prentice! Haha, look at that! I didn't know that this crazy dude was also here. Does Sam Prentice get in the box as well? Sam! No, I don't see... Sam is not in the box. I said to Sam last time, you have to think outside of the box. But anyways, so that racer kit from Big Tree Tech. And I think you know exactly which road I'm going with this. No pun intended. Anyways, box on the side. We have here TPU. We have here some orange. We have here some translucent red Peggy. And we have some black Peggy. I think this is going to be one amazing build for the Death Racer from Sam Prentice. It's going to be fun, but also I think Zach is also going to use the filaments for something else, because I don't think everything is going into one print, right? Or am I wrong? I don't know. Anyways, so this was PolyPhil. I hope you are being filled right now. Well, at least I am with the Death Racer and Polymaker. Oh, by the way, hashtag also not sponsored. Not sponsored. I'm always so excited. Damn it, my hair. Oh, that's so annoying. I should, yeah, no, I'm spending always my money on filaments. Anyways, so nice filament from Polymaker. Go to polymaker.com and get your own filaments. If you're living somewhere else outside of the US and Canada, there are some amazing resellers that are selling Polymaker as well. Get your own Polymaker filament because they are amazing. Help to support the community. From PolyPhil. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.